Hi, this is a discussion on the contents of the Imagine evaluation package. After downloading the zip file, we need to unzip it first. So let's do that. Inside the package, the IP directory contains the packaged Imagine IP created using the Vivado IP packager. The IP was created for GC104 platform, but it should work with any UltraScale Plus device. The subdirectory contains some supplementary materials to get started with the Imagine IP. The EX1, 2, and 3 directories contain example assembly programs for Imagine. Each example includes the assembly program named prog.py, related data as NumPy data archive, the configuration of the target Imagine IP instance, and a shell script that compiles the program to generate the assembled output. The assembler is written as a Python module. In another video, I will go into the details of how to use the assembler. The proj GCU104 directory contains the source files to create a Vivado project with the Imagine IP and run the example application. The work directory contains a makefile with commands to create the Vivado project and example applications from the source files in the subdirectory. If we simply call make in the work directory, it will list the available commands. Right now, I have one command to instantiate a Vivado project for the GC104 platform and the example applications that are included in the project archive.